Happy Saturday, everyone. It's Lala. I'm back with another video. I'm back here with the Roterunner Purpose Planner, and this is in the green. I've been using it for the last 2 weeks, and I want to show you guys how I've been using it and also the system I'm using as a combination every day. So this is in a B5 size, and the cover is really nice. I really like the cover, and it is a bound book. Primarily I use a Pilot G2 0.5. I also use the Sarasa Zebra Sarasa Clip 0.5 in brown. The Pilot G is in black. I also use, I forgot what this one is called, to be truthful, but it's a double-ended pen. You can see the tip on this end. This is great for script writing. I tend to just use this for this blue color to highlight specific things related to my dog or even on the water tracker. And then I have the green stencil, Hobonichi brand. This is my primary stencil I like to use. Usually what I do is I like to make my writing as nice and neat as possible. So I will, use this to write against, like putting it down flat and then writing against it to keep straight. And I'll use like some of the stencil cutouts, including even the numbers. Okay, so I'm going to show you what my monthly looks like. I recently received my order from Sticker My Journal, and I will include the link in the notes below through Etsy. And I like using their sticker sets, and it's great because they're here in Oregon, and now that I'm back in Oregon, formerly living in Texas, my order came really quickly. So this is March setup with using this sticker kit, and it was I think like a book reading kit, and I just liked using the dotted numbers for the dates and using these plants and books and things, just a little bit of decorating. I have my sticky notes from Mommy Plans. I have the inbox one, and then I have the waiting on one. I have these also printed in other sizes, like in my mini disc size and personal size. And I have the personal size in my plotter binder, which I take with me on a daily in my handbag. But I like to have these small ones to keep some things right in my face, so to speak. And I can move these since they're sticky notes. And also too, if something just comes to mind and I don't want to pull out my plotter binder, I can just put it right here in inbox, and then I can sort the details out later. So the bottom part, and let me take these off again. The bottom part is what I'm going to be filling out at the end of the month. I already, filled out a little bit here, but it has end of the month reflection here on the bottom. And then there's things for the month I have here. And I've checked off a number of things. I'll be checking off more. Okay, and then we'll go to, and there's lots of grid pages. So even after the monthly, you have 2 pages of grid. And this is a lot of space because, again, this is a B5 size. And so I have here just a list of planners I want to review. And what's great is, say where did you put that information? Well, there is an index towards the front, and so you can index here, and I index that page. And I don't need to index every single page. So this is plenty of space. This is just mainly for me to index really important pages to recall. And I started filling out one of the roles, hobbyist. This is for your roles and goals area. And then let's see, what else can I show you? I haven't done anything with bucket list. Reading list, I just put the titles. I'm using my Kindle reading PDF. So that's where I'm logging my books and stuff. And then also too, because it's a Kindle, which I'll just pull over here. This is the Kindle Scribe. When I read, my Goodreads list updates. So, you know, just for funsies, I just wrote those 2 books down. But I've read more than those. And then, yeah, I guess I could show this because it's nothing really big. But I filled out the annual dates. And so, you know, holidays, birth dates, trainings, any events or whatever I put here. And I've used the bullet journal format for future log. And then I just, with my little sorry right in here, this will then lead into, like, this is a dashboard and then leads into March. Okay. And then, to show you guys. So this is this week. And I've written out some things, you know, I have tasks and things I was doing, and I can mark this off because I did do that. There's water tracker. And then these are bubbles here for the PM plans. And at first I was starting to use it, you know, as like the top where I was rating tasks at the very beginning for AM focus. But then I decided to start just filling these in with to extend my timeline, because otherwise the printed timeline ends at 6 p.m. and I wanted my timeline to extend further. So this is kind of like a little view, and I was playing around with this sticky note here, of my week. Okay. Habit tracker here. There's gratitude and health, and mainly I'm using this for not gratitude because I use a gratitude journal on my Kindle, but for my exercise. And then this is this week, so I've done it in a vertical layout, and you know, just putting tasks, notes, thoughts, feelings, whatever. And then I prepped next week here. However, I want to show you guys how pretty I've already prepped April, and so here's my April dashboard. I might add some more of the pretty leaves, and these stickers are going to be from the April kit from my journal, my sticker journal, or whatever, journal sticker. Again, I'll have the link down below. So yeah, I'm gonna probably add some more of the stickers because I still have plenty of the stickers from the kit. And this is my birthday month. And then I have this prepped. I didn't use the day of the week stickers here, so you see my little funky writing here. But I have this prepped. And then where you have 2 blank pages, I have goals here and tasks here. And because there's already categories for tasks here, I'll probably use this like I would do an inbox, which is just random things that pop in my head, and I will just put them here. And then I can sort later. That's my thought. I'm just kind of still playing around with it to see if I have a need for using that specific sticker from the kit. But I did want to use the goal one, and this is where I'm going to write like the goal for posting YouTube videos, the books, my TBR, that I want to complete, television show series, whatever. And then I just prepped a little bit for the first week of April. And there's not much on here because I like to wait. Usually, probably sometime next week, I will put down here all my clients that I have scheduled already. I don't put my clients' names in my planner. What I just do, and I said it in a previous video, is I'll write client and then in parentheses how that appointment will be done, whether it's going to be V for video, P for telephone, or IP for in-person visit, because I do work a hybrid work schedule. So yeah, so this is prepped, and as you can see, I just went ahead and I completed writing 7 through 11 here to extend the timeline going across. And just so you know, I like that, and I'll bring this up closer so you can see the timeline. So the timeline, it has the 6 here, then it has, and then there's some dots going, some smaller dots going across to kind of separate several hours of the day. It separates it in 4. Yeah, 4 quarters. So 6 through 9, and then from 9 to 12, and then from 12 to 3, and then 3 to 6. And then I have here, I wrote the 7 through 11, and then there's the water tracker. And then you can see, so that's not hard for you to tell where you're trying to write an appointment or task. Now, you do have the numbers printed here again. The 6 isn't, but the 7 through 5 and 6 isn't here either, but yeah. And then it's printed again over here on this side of the page. And that way you can easily see, and you know, because what I'll do is I'll use my stencil, and like I will write here at 9, I want to make sure I do my PM gratitude. Right? And then I would write that all the way across, and see how I use my stencil to keep it straight, because otherwise, child, I'll be writing all kind of crazy. You know, one letter is taller than the other, or one's not even hitting the line, and yeah, so I just do that. One of the tasks I do want to put for today, actually, is that I want to complete a review. Submit review for the NCE study cards. Yeah, I don't know how I found out about the specific company that makes test prep cards. And what they do is they will send an email and stating what products they have available for review, and if you want to, be able to get them. And it's first comes, first served. And so I had gotten a previous set, and I think it was for nursing. And I was like thinking, man, I wish they would get the ones for the NCE or MFT exam, because that's my field, which I still need to take my licensing exam. And lo and behold, I got an email for the NCE flashcards. And so now I don't have to order them. I mean, that was totally God. I tell you. So yeah. So the cards are here, and I will need to submit submit my review for these. I guess it's through email. And then sometimes they'll also ask if you can post it on Amazon too. So yeah, I have these, and that's something I need to do. I need to submit my review for these cards. And I need to do that today. Because I got the cards like last week or the week before. I think 2 weeks ago. So yeah, that's... And I'm going to put a star. And I am not going to make it out today. Go get my library card. But I do want to do a reading sprint today on my Kindle. So anyway, that is so far, you know, there's lots of pages in here. This is for 6 months. I am enjoying it. I mean, I already had their, I guess their version 1, or maybe it was the version 2. I think it was version 1 of the Purpose Planner. 4 years ago maybe? And I really liked it. The only thing is I just wish they had this in a smaller size. So do take that in consideration. If you're thinking about getting this planner, it's going to take significant space on your desk. It is available in hardbound or softbound. This is the softbound. Hardbound makes it easier if you don't have a desk and you're wanting to fill out things. So you can use your lap as your desk, and that hard cover will be better for writing on. So you can consider that. This is available through Amazon or directly through the company's website. And I got this through Amazon, and it just came within 2 days. And they have various colors. Anyway, I am done showing you about the Purpose Planner through Roterunner. Or Roterunner? I don't know. Please hit the like button. And if you're not already subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button. I love comments. Comments also help me. So please post a comment whether you have a question about this planner, if you like something about the planner. I will answer questions. And I just want to thank you for coming back again and watching my video. I really appreciate it, and it motivates me to continue bringing you content. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you next time. Bye.